Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and here let's scroll down and tap on always on display and lock screen. As you can see, in the lock screen settings section we've got the sleep option, so simply tap on it, and here we've got plenty of options from which we can choose actually. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, which is right now applied because this option is marked and highlighted into the blue color, let's say. What's more, we can set 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. So in order to change the time, simply tap on the option I'd like to use, so I'll pick 5 minutes for example, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.